Let's now move to the second feature I would like to talk about that will be released very, very soon, which is called Diversity Library. And this Synthia functionality will enable to automatically design target library based on the synthetic pathway. The user selects starting materials which he would like to diversify, and with this selection, Synthia generates a library of targets similar to the original one. What is extremely important to say here is that Synthia generates this library considering its entire power of reaction rules database, this huge database we have, with all of this context information of incompatible functional groups in every reaction, and also the power of algorithms that are removing non-selective reactions, non-existent motifs, and all of these other algorithms we have built inside our Synthia tool. So all of this together means that the library targets that are generated are chemically correct and synthesizable. So let's take a look one more time at my Synthia dashboard. So here I have all of this analysis. Let's click together at one of this automatic retrosynthesis analysis I did for lenacapavir. This is AIDS drug, pretty recent drug. Here you can see this building blocks view that I have here, right? And there's this small flask icon which says create diversity library. And here we are moving to this view where you can select the building blocks in which you would like to use for diversification. You can select all of them. You can select only a couple of them. You can select, for example, only the ones that are closest to the target for the late stage diversification. And then you can also select how many molecules you would like this library to generate. I selected 96 here and click create library. This search can take from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours, so I have this already pre-calculated. And let's maybe zoom in a little as well to have a better view on the molecule structures. And as you can see here, these molecules that were generated are having this like small yellow parts, and this is showing actually these points of the diversification between the original targets and these molecules that were generated in this target libraries, right? You see everywhere there is this like yellow part. And what Synthia offers here as well, you can click on the pathway view to explore the pathway in more details, to take a look closer at these building blocks that were diversified here, and also click on the reaction names. This is this interactive view. And Synthia here generated 96 targets, so the amount I requested the software to generate. And what you can also do, you can as well sort these targets by different criteria, like for example, similarity to original target or molecular weight. And what is very interesting here as well, that you can change the coloring options from the structural differences that I had selected at the beginning to the building blocks coloring. So this enables you also to quickly spot different building blocks that were used, like for example, in the molecule number 12, you see this difluoromethyl group, and in 13, you have trifluoromethyl. So all of these differences, structural differences that were done to generate this diversified target structures.